everyone and very warm welcome. Just about to record for you a very short summary of our Improvers Solo Ballroom Latin practice routine number 8. It's a very short summary and this was taught in our class online on Monday the 5th of December 22 if you're looking for the full class. So we did an open basic forwards and back, rock, cha, 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 forwards, rock, cha, cha, cha. Two side basics or cucarachas, side, cha, 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 side, cha, cha, cha. We then went to our fan via a spiral. So I did back, rock, cha, cha, cha. Spiral, 3/4 of a turn, and then walk into the fan. Left, right, pivot, cha, cha, back. Okay? Let's do that again. I'm going to come a little bit closer. So I've got basic, back, rock, cha, 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 forwards, rock, cha, 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 side, rock, cha, 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 side, rock, cha, 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 back, rock, cha, 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 2, 3, 4, and 1. Some little hip rocks, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's 2 bars. Finish the fan, close, forwards, cha, cha, cha. Cuban breaks, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Fast New Yorker, right foot, 2 and 3, left foot, 4 and 1, and a spot turn to finish, 2, 3, 4 and 1. I'm going to do that all now with the timing, and then we'll be there. And 2, 3, 4 and 1, 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. There we go guys, Improvers Solo Cha-Cha Ballroom Style Practice Routine number 8, taught in the class on the 5th of December 2022, and I will see you again in another video soon. Bye bye.